A concerning case of negligence has come to light on the NH66 near Maces Junction, involving a temporary diversion put up due to road works. The road leading to the diversion has only one safety board, which has sparked fears of potential accidents in the area. Here's our reporter Vincent Rosario with more on this.
So just 50 meters away from here, Panjim, Margaon Sodia to Panjim Poitya roadacher, just 50 meters away. And हिंगा 50 मिटर्सांक एक बोर्ड साइन बोर्ड मारलेलो आहा वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस म्हणून PWD वो तुम्ही पळयता तो एक बोर्ड हिंगा मारलेलो आहा वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस. सो तूं सांग आतां 80 or 90 स्पिडीचेर गाडी येता पळय ती ऑन स्पॉटाचेर कसो ब्रेक मारून रावपाची. वो एक बोर्ड मारलेलो आसा तो पळया तुम्ही हिंगा वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस म्हणून. सो हे आतां व्हेकल 80-90 स्पिडीचेर येता पळय तेणी कशें ऑन स्पॉटाचेर डायवर्शन घेवपाचें. सो हिंगा सेल्फ एक्सिडेंट जावन हिंगा कितल्याच जाणांच्या लायफाक रिस्की आहा. पूण ह्या लायफाचे रिस्कीचे ह्या खंयच्याच ऑथॉरिटीचे डिपार्टमेंटाचे वो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक हे रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन घालपाचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचे रिस्ट्रिक्ट रावपाचे हे हिंगा कोणाकूच खंयच्याच ऑथॉरिटीक पडलेले ना. ह्यात तुमी पळयतात पळय फूल स्पिडीन पळय कश्यो गाडयो येता त्यो आनी हाका हिंगा प्रॉपर सायन बोर्ड मारलेले ना. सो गाडी तुका हिंगा व्हेकल येता पळय ती 80-90 स्पिडीचेर येता आनी सडनली हिंगा पावल्या म्हणटच ह्या रस्त्याचेर हिंगा ताका रोड क्लोज केल्लो दिश्टी पडटा आनी ताका डायवर्शन आहा. पूण एक स्पॉट आहा ती एक हिंगा डायवर्शन बोर्ड मारलेलो ना, फकत वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस. पूण वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस कहलो वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस आनी डायवर्शन खंयच्यान घेवपाचें तें कांयच हिंगा सारकें कोणेच कितेंच मारलेलें ना. सो आतां हे एक्सिडेंट रस्त्याचेर जाता तेजो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आतां कोण पळय तें पळय, कित्याक हे निग्लेजन ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट ऑथॉरिटी व PWD आतां खंयचो डिपार्टमेंट तोवूय हिंगा आतां सांगता ते भाशेन कांयच खबर ना. सर हे आतां NH66चेर फ्रॉम पॅन्जिम टू सांताक्रूज हे हायवेचेर काम चालू आहा आनी हे आतां कामाच्या सायटीचेर तुमी उबे आहा. सो तुमकां हे कामाचे स्टँडर्ड आनी कामाची क्वॉलिटी ऑफ वर्क ते तुमकां आतां आनी सेफ्टी ऑफ द रोड सेफ्टी तुमकां ते कशें पळोवपाक दिसता आतां तुमी हिंगा यो.
म्हाका पयलें सांगपाचें आय एम शॉक्ड एंड सरप्राइज्ड that after taking up a major contract of putting up this entire four-lane driveway on this national highway, that they have now realized that there should have been this work done underneath. Fearing a collapse, they have started the work now. Now this clearly shows that there has not been application of mind, and we are concerned seriously because as a consumer organization, we are going to take this up at the highest level on the issue of road safety with the transport department, PWD and all the concerned officials, because this is not only putting thousands and thousands of people into inconvenience, including the tourists who are coming to the state of Goa to face this type of a problem, which should have been taken into account much before this work was being undertaken. This is not only shameful, but it reflects the poor quality of planning and application of mind by our senior engineers. This is very worrisome because as we see today, the number of road accidents that are taking place, the road accidents are going to increase in this small area because what I have noticed here is the poor signage that has been put on road safety. So we are here at this board here. You can see this board is put by says PWD and says work in progress. Now this is the issue which is central to this work that is being taken up here. There has to be a comprehensive information displayed here stating who is executing the work, which division of the PWD, and just saying work in progress is not good enough for the people who are driving, riding, because there are interstate riders and drivers, not only local people. So it's very important, and you can see the size. Just see the size of this board. It's pathetic that the PWD has not even bothered to put an extensive board. Already you can see the traffic piling up here. There is no speed limit, slow down signage, which is very, very crucial for people who are reaching this diversion. And we have already seen 2 people have died yesterday at Bambolim on the same stretch. Now this is what we are saying. PWD has to take responsibility for what it's doing. It cannot shirk its responsibility.
Vincent Rosario, Manish Parab and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.